Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video we are going to work on the issue I have. I'm not eligible for a custom URL yet. According to the YouTube policy, if you have a couple of videos about subscribers and you have a channel art over here and you have a channel logo and you are eligible for a custom URL, but I have almost 1130 40 subscribers, a lot of videos, I done everything, but I'm still not eligible. Let's go check. If I click on my channel logo and I go here setting, inside the setting I can check here channel status and the features. If I click on channel status and feature, and over here it's somewhere here it says custom URL. I'm not eligible yet. It's an eligible. If I click over here, so just say have 100 or more subscribers, be at least 30 days old, have an upload photo as a channel icon, have upload channel art. So I have done so far everything. I have 1100 some subscribers. This channel is almost 2-3 year old. I'm not still eligible. So I'm thinking the issue I have here, if you see my channel name over here, I have the last couple of years in a different language, like it's in my language, my Punjabi language. That could be the issue because I was trying to search. I didn't find any specific answer, but there's a lot of people saying, oh, maybe the channel name is too long or something like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change a channel name right now. And after 48 hours, I will come back and try back again. So now to change my channel name, I believe I have to go to Creator Studio or YouTube Studio, whatever is available for you. We're gonna click on channel. Once we click on channel, we came out the same spot again, and we're gonna say advanced. If you see on click on advanced, I have a here my channel name. So we're gonna change name, edit. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna rewrite this name in English, Punjabi. So I write down already. I'm gonna click OK. Say change name. So actually I have changed already my channel name, but it's asking me you have a multiple profile pictures. You choose single picture to help recognize people. I'm gonna choose single. So basically Google profile picture, continue. So as you can see, I have changed my name already over here, and we gotta wait for almost 48 hours, then see if I'm going to eligible for my custom URL. So now let's wait for 48 hours, then I will come back again and check how it look. Okay, so now we have changed our channel name already. Before it was in my different language, it was in Punjabi, and probably it wasn't our understanding. So now let's start again. If we are going to eligible for custom URL, so we gotta go click on channel logo again. We're gonna go to settings. Once we go to click in setting, we're gonna go to channel status and feature. And over here, if we open here, so now I'm eligible for custom URL. So now let's enable. Okay, so now I can have my channel ID, channel URL. I can make a here custom URL. So you are eligible for a custom URL, claim it here. I'm gonna click over here, and I can select either one. I think it's both are same. So I will say I'm read and agree. I'm going to make my channel URL this one. Say change URL. Confirm choice. So good luck. We have changed our custom URL successfully. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.